Hello everyone. I noticed that some of you have been experiencing some issues where the model disappear when it's at the edge of the screen or when you're moving close like this. This is because the model is animated, and to save performance, Unity has the option to disable these modals when they're out of screen. But unlike static model, the true size of an animated model depending on the animation. For example, when the wings are up like this, the height of the model is different than when it's at the side. So to account for this, Unity calculates something that's called mesh bound. This is supposed to be to the maximum size of the model, but for some reason this doesn't work correctly when importing from Sketchfab. So to fix this issue, we can manually go to the skinned mesh renderer of this component by searching for it. And we select this like this. And then you can see here that the extents are 0, 0, 0. So that's the current size of the model's mesh bounds. As you can see, we only have a small dot here that represents the size. And when that dot is outside of the view, the model will disappear. So if we change this to something like 50, 50, 50, you will see that we have a quite large box describing the size of the model. So that when I move this outside of the center like before, it doesn't disappear anymore because the Unity sees the size of the model as this box and won't remove it unless the box is out of view.